boy, it's a hot one. Woo, baby. We are in a heat wave. We're in a heat wave here in California. Plus, there's hundreds of fires. It's such a dangerous time. They need more firefighters, and I don't know. But anyway, I'm just using my little fan. I wanted to tell you about the eyelash glue on your eyebrows. No good. I tried it, doesn't work. Don't even try it. It's not good. It's a bad tip. Anyway, it was just something that I was going to try. I didn't know if it worked or not, but I was going to try it, and no good. My brows were sticky all day. I received this very, very interesting product the other day. Look at this. This is an LED facelift mask, and it is targeted right on the lower half of your face. It goes right on the jowls. Look at that. It has vibration, microcurrents, red light, and green light therapy all in one. And it goes on so easy. It plugs with the USB plug right here. This goes into your USB outlet, and this goes right here. And then it charges up. And I charged it the other day for like 10 minutes. And let me see, how do I turn it on? It goes on with the remote. I'm saying, I don't see a button here. Where is the button? Okay, on, off, high, low, and mode. It is flexible to fit the curves of your face. The strap is a stretchable silicone strap that is adjustable on the sides. The inside has microcurrents and silicone, and behind the silicone is the red and the blue light, and the vibration is all in the whole thing. I'm going to show you the lights, how they go from left to right to left to right, and while they're going back and forth, it's vibrating. And while it's vibrating and the lights are switching, it is also doing a microcurrent exercise on your face, on your inner muscles. It says red ray is to improve skin cell activity, promote metabolism, allow skin to secrete large amounts of collagen and fill fibrous tissues, promote blood circulation, resist aging, oxidation, skin repair. The blue ray can quickly suppress common skin inflammation, calm the skin, and regulate the secretion of keratinocytes, clean and sterilize the skin, whiten the spots, and remove wrinkles and shrink the pores. The infrared, it can increase the temperature of the deep skin under the skin, expand the microvessel, promote blood circulation, and the EMS vibration improves the strength of micro muscles, fully exercising and tightening face to help shape a V face. And the EMS microcurrent can move facial muscles and tighten facial skin, improve the problem of facial muscle loosening and wrinkles. Now I feel it shaking. It's like a car being revved up. It just sounds like it. And now if I loosen this, you could see the lights better. You see how the light is just going around? While it's going around, this thing is vibrating. Very powerful. Woo! And the microcurrents are like pins and needles. And you don't need any conductor with this. but I would put it on a clean face. How cute is this? I mean, it just targets the right part of your face. Do you see that blue light going? And there's different modes. Oh, every time I change it, it revs up like a car engine. Woo, it goes like woo. Very cool. I will be making use out of this. I thought you needed to see this, and all links will be down below if you're interested. I have a lot of facts that are unrelated, but if you go to McDonald's to get a coffee or a burger with your kids, always get the receipt. They'll ask you if you want the receipt, hoping you'll say no, because on the receipt is a survey link, and there's a space to put a code. After you do the 2-minute survey, you put the code on the receipt and you get a free burger. So that is really cool. Another thing, I do that a lot with my mom. When I'll get my mom and I something, and it helps. Also, my Etsy store is up and running, and I don't expect you all to run over there and buy something, but you can do a little window shopping, and I can do custom work, and I'm just having fun designing. And I know it's not the season to be shopping for gifts, but when the season does come around, I hope you remember my store. I'm going to do a hair cutting video soon. Show you how I trim my hair. It needs a good trim. And that's about it. So I'm going to sign off here because I am boiling, and I hope you're staying cool. I hope you have a great day. Make the best of it. Be good to the people around you, and hopefully they'll feel good about it, and they'll be good to the people around them, and it'll go around the world. So have a great week. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Love you.